Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can connect your account on Claude AI using the Claude AI desktop application with your account on Slack. So let us guide you through this. So in the first step, launch the Claude AI desktop app. Make sure that you're logged in with your account. And next you'll need to access your connector settings. To install the connector, click into these three lines in the top left, hover your mouse over File and choose Settings. Here guys, what you want to do is navigate to connectors here on the left hand side, and here you will see a list of all connectors that have already been installed. As you can see, I haven't installed any of these. So to connect the given connector, click into this button and go through that list. You may also use the search bar here to look for Slack. However, I already see it here, so click into that plus button. Then you will be redirected to this sign up. Let me just, or sign in page, sorry. Let me just accept the cookies here. So what you want to do is click into continue here. Enter your Slack workspace name, or you may already if you already have a workspace, you may click into this button here and then enter the name of your email address here, or sign in via Apple or Google. So let me sign in with my Google account, confirm, give Claude AI the permission to connect Slack, and then you will see the option to create a new workspace, or you can go with one of these. So I will go with this one. And in the final step, guys, confirm the workspace here. Click into allow, and that is going to connect your account on Claude AI with your Slack workspace. So you may click into open Claude here, or navigate back to your account on Claude AI. In some cases, it may be necessary to relaunch the application, as you can see. So yes, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.